The video opens with a yellow robotic arm maneuvering over a white surface as a student in a cap watches nearby. A red title card with the Nicolet College logo displays the text, Electromechanical Technology. Steve Bugren, electromechanical technology instructor, then speaks from a lab with motor control training panels visible behind him.
Electromechanical technology program, you're going to get an introduction to robotics, PLCs, motor controls, and we're going to work through the process of integrating these systems together into one complementary machine. A student in an electromechanical technician program can earn an associate's degree after 2 years, and if they want to take the one-year program, it's a electromechanical.
A slide titled Program Offerings lists Electromechanical Technology, Associate of Applied Science, and Industrial Electronics Technician, Technical Diploma.
Technician Technical Diploma, which leads directly into if they want to continue into the associate degree. The EM program is a CBE course, which is a hybrid of online.
A student works at a blue Amatral programmable controller system connected to a laptop.
Learning and hands-on activities with the trainers. So you're going to get that actual hands-on every piece of equipment.
A student uses a Teach pendant to operate the yellow robotic arm inside a safety enclosure.
With the varied experience that our guys have gotten in the electrical background, they've gotten jobs as HVAC technicians, electromechanical technicians, and entry-level electrician positions at various employers in our district.
A red slide titled Possible Careers lists 7 job titles: Electrical Maintenance Technician, Electromechanical Technician, Industrial Automation Technician, Research and Development Technician, Robotics Technician, Industrial Maintenance Technician, and Field Service Technician.
Upon completion of the EM program, students have been able to go directly into the workforce and start at a pretty good wage. So with the experience that our students have gotten,
Steve and a student examine the yellow robotic arm. Steve points to a controller the student is holding.
they'll be able to troubleshoot electromechanical systems.
A student in a cap watches the robot trace letters. Text overlay. Wisconsin's growing reputation in manufacturing means you can build a great career in a state you love.
Motor control systems, PLC systems with a number of different pieces of test equipment that they've learned to use here.
Text overlays display Wisconsin manufacturing statistics. Wisconsin ranks second nationally in manufacturing jobs, 25,880 jobs projected in 2024, and a median salary of $56,860. Hands operate a Teach pendant.
Any student that's interested in the tech ed department stuff and repairing things and learning about how systems work, this is a great pathway for you.
A red slide displays, learn more about electromechanical technology by contacting your admissions reps at 715-365-4493. The Nicolet College logo appears with the text nicoletcollege.edu.